Hey everyone, welcome back. Automating a workflow isn't just about what runs. It's also about when it runs. In this video, we'll explore N.O.R.A's built-in scheduler and see how it handles recurring workflow execution without requiring Windows Task Scheduler or any external scheduling tools. The download link for N.O.R.A is in the description. If there is a feature you want to see covered in more depth, leave a comment and we will get to it. Don't forget to subscribe. N.O.R.A has a built-in scheduler. No Windows Task Scheduler. No external cron daemon. You define a schedule inside N.O.R.A and it manages the timing itself. Schedules use standard cron expressions. When you choose the custom cron option, N.O.R.A previews the expression in plain English and shows the next few run times, making it easy to verify the schedule before saving. Invalid expressions are flagged immediately, and the plain English description remains visible in the schedule list for quick reference. Any schedule can be paused without deleting it. A paused schedule stays in the list and simply does not run until you resume it. The Run Now button lets you trigger a scheduled workflow immediately without waiting for its next scheduled time. Stop on error and notify on completion are configured independently for each schedule. Visual indicators in the schedule list make it easy to see those settings at a glance. N.O.R.A can also send notifications when workflows finish. Desktop notifications are configured per schedule, while email notifications are configured globally through settings. When email notifications are enabled, N.O.R.A sends a completion report for manual, scheduled, and background runs. In this example, the workflow sends a summary email when it completes, making it easy to verify unattended jobs without opening the application. While a workflow is running, it appears in the Background Jobs tab. You can monitor active executions, check their status, and continue working elsewhere in N.O.R.A while they run. Once a workflow completes, the details are recorded in execution history. Every run includes timestamps, status information, and the full execution log, whether it was started manually, triggered by a schedule, or launched in the background. This provides a complete audit trail and makes troubleshooting straightforward. Log retention is configurable under Settings. You can keep execution history for 30, 60, or 90 days, or retain it indefinitely. Older records are cleaned up automatically based on the retention period you choose. Together, scheduling, notifications, background jobs, execution history, and log retention provide a complete view of what ran, when it ran, and how it finished.